Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how I made this beautiful non-fried egusi soup. I started washed my meat, put into the pot, added my onions and garlic. I also added my thyme, Maggi, no cubes, and allowed to cook. Add a little water and cover to cook till tender. This process is very important because you need the beef to absorb all this goodness, to have a tasty meat in your soup. Now that the meat is boiling, here I have my grinded egusi. It's time to mix my egusi. I've added a tablespoon of salt and 2 more cubes. Please trust this method. It will give you the best egusi ever. After adding my no cube, you have to mix everything together into the egusi. After mixing thoroughly, it's time to add some water. What this water does is to bind the egusi together. Please take notes. This method of adding water little step by step will help you know the consistency of the egusi. Please do not add water all at once. Put it little by little, depending on the quantity of egusi you're making. It should not be too runny, it should not be too thick. Just this exact consistency. Take your time and mix it thoroughly. Make it form a very smooth paste. After you have gotten this consistency, you can now add your onions. This is optional, but I love adding my onion in this stage because it gives the egusi a very unique taste. It makes the egusi taste very nice. So I would advise you do not miss this step. Cut your onions and add. Then remember that you don't just put it in water. The secret to having your egusi formed is adding your egusi into boiling water. Your water has to be boiling before you start scooping in your egusi inside. Remember, this is a non-fried egusi method that still gives you your egusi to come together and look so beautiful and tasty. If you're a lover of egusi, every bite is going to be yummy. I promise you that. Now the egusi is boiling. You allow it to boil. You cover the pot to cook. You don't stir. Please remember, don't stir, because we need to achieve this aim of having our egusi come together and look so beautiful, not looking like fried egusi like pete. No, it's not going to look so smashy. It's going to come together. It's going to have lumps. We add our palm oil. Put the quantity that you desire for your palm oil. Once you're done that, please, if you must add water, make sure that your water is boiled water. But rather, I added my stock, my beef and my beef stock into the egusi, and I covered it. I just stirred it a little, not stirring everything. Now that it is boiling, I had to add my stock fish. After adding the stock fish, I will allow it to cook. I'll cover it to cook for a while. Remember, the soup is not on a high heat, because if it's on a high heat, it will start burning. So make sure it's on a moderate heat. Now the egusi has formed. I've now added my dry fish and my grinded pepper. Put your pepper according to your preference. I love my soup hot, so I added enough pepper to make my soup hot. I also turned it now because the process has worked out for me. You can see for yourself, the egusi has has formed very well. So nothing would make this egusi at this point to scatter. It cannot scatter again. It has been formed because it's properly cooked. Now that I've added my fish, I'll let my fish to cook. Then I added my crayfish, grinded crayfish. In this crayfish, I added my black pepper, uziza seed. I added uziza seed because I didn't get the fresh one, because I wanted that unique taste that the black pepper gives to food in my egusi. So I added it to my grinded egusi. But if you have the leaf, I said you don't need to use the dried one. You can add it when you're adding your vegetable. Now I've washed and cut my vegetable. Please remember to wash your vegetable with salt. Very important, because I'm not going to let this vegetable stay for long. Immediately I added my vegetable, I stirred the soup, and I put off the light so that my vegetable will not be overcooked. Just take a look at this yummy egusi soup. So inviting, so satisfying. When looking at this soup, you just want to swallow, or any swallow of your choice. My beautiful people, if you're still watching until this time and you like what you see, please give me a follow, give me a like, and a beautiful comment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. I believe you have learned one or two. Please let me see how yours turned out. Just follow this process, you get the best. Thank you. Love you all. See you in my next. Bye bye.